This power strip is going to be perfect for using outdoors. I got it so I could use it just to add a little bit of light to my chicken coop. I really like that it's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about taking it in when it's raining or anything like that. And knowing that my chickens will still be safe is great. It has a nice long cord, so it's 6 foot for a cord. And then it does have a place right here on the back where you can mount it on something. And then it has the nice covered button here for off and on. This is just letting you know that due to it being waterproof, that it's going to be slightly tighter when you first start to use it for putting the outlets in. So I'm really excited about this, and let's get started. You're also going to be able to tell that it's working by this right here. It does illuminate. It's kind of hard to see right now, but you can see it gets a little bit red there to let you know that it is on and working. And then, so now let's just go ahead and plug in these lights. I have it off right now. I'm going to switch it on. I also like that it has the switch right here. That's really nice as well, to be able to switch it off and on, but it works great. And so this is going to be so cute to add to my chicken coop, being able to add these lights and not have to worry about the anything happening because of the rain or snow or whatever. So I love that it is weatherproof. So that's really nice that it's waterproof, weatherproof, and then you're going to be able to make sure that you're safe and it's not going to cause any kind of fires. So that's awesome.